Assalamu alaikum. In today's session, we will study about Microsoft Access, how to create a form, and how to create a table, and how to open this program. For this purpose, we'll click in Start menu and type here Access. Make sure that you have installed a new version of Microsoft Access or Microsoft Office where you can find Access also. Lots of templates are here, but being beginner, we'll click on blank. These are recently used documents, so click on new. Here you can rename it, suppose Ali, and you can browse for your destination as well. Where do you want to save it? I would like to save it on desktop. Okay, and create. We can create a table from the create, but keep in mind that as you open Microsoft Access, a table has been created by default, so no need to create another table. But to make it sure, I would like to create a table. You can see here two tables, table 1 which was created by default and table 2. I don't want any other table, so I will close this. Now I would like to set all the information in my table. For this purpose, I'll click on this drop down button small. Two important views are there, data sheet view and design view. Data sheet view is that view where we enter information in our table. Design is that view where we set the information, where we set the important aspects of a table. So let me click, this is like a factory, so let me click on this. Do you want to rename this? Yes, I would like to rename this. This is Ali table. Okay, here we have very important things. They are called data types. Data types are settings, they are the features of your information, which type of information you are entering. Suppose short text and long text. Short text is used for names, father names, etc. Long text used for details, like 200 plus words you can enter here. Number is used for contact number or any car number or house number, whatever. Date and time is used for date of birth, etc. Currency is used for salary, and auto number like 1 2 3 4, they should appear automatically. Yes, no, it's option. Are you married? Yes or no. So it is used for that purpose. OLE, hyperlink, attach, these are used for attachment, and others we will discuss inshallah in the coming sessions. So first information I would like to give here, name. You can move to the next column by enter button or pressing tab button. This is father name, and keep in mind that name and father name, I didn't change the data type, it's still short text. The third one I would like to write here, contact. Yes, of course I'll change this to number. Yes, phone number should be in numbers like 1 2 3 4, it should not be text ABC. This is salary. The next information, which for which I'll choose currency, and the next one is date of birth. For this I'll choose date and time. You can insert lots of information in your table, that is your choice according to your need. I don't want to enter here anymore. Being a beginner, we will try only to see how it works. So how to get back to the data sheet view? Click on this button and click on data sheet view, or you can directly click on this table. Do you want to save? Yes, I would like to save it. Now we can see here ID will appear automatically as I enter here a name. I wrote here Osman, so you can see his ID as 1. Father name is Yasin, and contact number is 050, and his salary is suppose $5,000, and his date of birth is for May 1993 and click or press enter or tab button or directly use your mouse. Then next name is Javed and his father name is Ikram and his phone number is 053 and his salary is suppose $3,500 and his date of birth is 2000. Okay, keep in mind that table is actually not for this purpose to feed or to enter our data. The important thing is to keep in mind that the face of a table is form. We have to enter the data in form. Usually it is done in almost big offices, companies, banks, etc. They enter values, data, information in a form, and the form automatically send those information to your table. Table is like your store. Form is the face or the front page of your table. So for this we will click on create on form. Okay, in form we have again three views: form view, layout and design view. Layout is just like a preview. Form is that view where we enter data, where we can feed the information, we can insert the information in our form. Design is again it's for setting. You want to do some specific setting. We will not go in these two directly. I would like to show you today because it's for beginner. So I will click on form view. It is that view where we can feed the data, where we can insert the information. So here we can move forward with the help of tab button or with the help of enter button. If you remember, there in the table I inserted two names, or I typed there two names. One was this is the second one, Javed, father name Ikram, and so on. Now I can move to the third, mean the new record, by pressing enter button or by pressing tab button, and by using your mouse click on this forward button, new blank record. So I'll click this. New, don't write anything here because this is on auto mode. I'm going to write here Yaqat. His father name is suppose Majid and contact number is 056. Okay, yes, I did a mistake, the contact number exceeded. Okay, now it will not give any problem. Okay, his salary is suppose $5,000. His date of birth is 4/8/1991 and enter or tab or this button. New record is suppose Mustafa. His father name is Naveed. His contact number is 057 and his salary is $3,600 and his date of birth is 1/1/93. Now I don't want to enter any information further. I just wanted to show you how to feed information, how to enter information in your form, and how it will shift from a form to a table. So for this we will click on save and we will move to our table. Here you can see here a table, only it's having two names, but in the form we typed or we entered 3-4 new names. Where they are? As I told you that they must come to your table, but they didn't come. Why? They have come here, but we have to refresh. So as you refresh all, the names which you entered there, they will appear here. I hope you understood. In this session we learn table, creation of a table, creation of a form, a slight detail about them. Again, if there is any problem, you can write to me in the comment box. Thank you very much.